Okay, so this is the first in what's going to be a series of videos talking about different skills that you need for Algebra 1. So today we're going to talk about simplifying square roots. And we're going to simplify the square root, let's say 2 times the square root of 360. So there are 4 steps that I've identified. Do a factor tree, identify pairs, separate, and then simplify. So let's do our factor tree. 36 times 10 is 360. 10 is 5 times 2. 36 is 2 times 18. 3 and 6. 2 and 3. So if I bring all of those down, 2 on the square root of 360 equals 2 on the square root of 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 2. So now we have to identify our pairs. So I've got a pair of 2's, I've got a pair of 3's, and that's it. Those are the only pairs that I have. So now I can separate it. So this is going to be 2 on the square root of 4, because that's 2 and 2, on the square root of 9, because that's 3 and 3, and then the square root of 10, because that's what's left. So when we simplify that now, I'm going to get 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. And then the square root of 10 I can't clean up. So that's going to be 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Root 10 is the correct simplification.